God, I'm an idiot. What is shaking, everybody? Sater here. I have a different kind of video. I am not on the bike today. Sorry if you were wanting that to be a thing. I was going to do an unboxing video for you guys. I have this weird setup with a couple different cameras, so we're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't work, I guess we'll find out together. Actually, that's a lie. I will know long before you do, but we can pretend. So here's what we're opening. This was a gift, a 6-month subscription to SketchBox. I guess we'll do it this way. This way. This is going to be my 4th box. You can actually see. Can you see right over there? There's 3 other ones. This is the 4th one, and what it is, it's like a loot crate, but for art supplies, which is cool. So I haven't opened this one yet. We're gonna open it right now with my mossy oak. People always show off the whatever. These are always super fun though, and there's always cool stuff in them. So yes, art by Ansley Pearson. They do a different artist every month, which is cool. And then they kind of show off, I'll show you in here. They show off the artist's art. Every month has a theme, like one month was watercolors and everything was about watercolors and watercolor art, and then next was about calligraphy and it was all calligraphy stuff. So each box sort of has a cool little theme, and it's always kind of fun to figure out what those are. So here is the featured artist, Ansley. Ansley? I said that right? Ansley Pearson. No, this is the featured artist. Sorry, my bad. Nikolai Shaver. And here's some info about that person, which is cool. This tells you how to use all the stuff. If you go watch the videos, it walks you through like how to use everything, and then there's a breakdown on the back of everything in here. So this will help as I'm kind of going over all of this. I'm gonna slide this up here, I guess. Actually, let's do this. All right. And we'll actually pull these out the way that they're in here, or on this list. Cretacolor Graphite Pocket Set. Retails for $15.95. This month is all about graphite. Oh, that's actually super cool. 3 wood-cased graphite pencils, HB, 2B, 4B, 2 graphite sticks, 4B and 6B, 1 jumbo graphite stick. Holy crap. It's a lot of stuff. 1 jumbo graphite stick, 2B, and a woodless graphite pencil with cap. 4B, it's the perfect graphite starter set. That's cool, and it's got a little polishing leather. I have no idea what that's for. So let's see if I can get this up there. There's all of that stuff. That's super cool. In here. Then we've got liquid pencils. Liquid pencils. Is that this? It is. Liquid pencil of blue and yellow. Aha! These are weird. What is this? Now time for something really interesting. These are graphite and tint suspended in a binding agent. It behaves similar to watercolor but dries to a matte graphite finish. It's re-wettable, meaning you can rework parts of your pieces, and once dried it can be erased a bit. That's dope. And you got both blue and yellow there, which is cool. Those are fun. Then we have, oh nice. A lead holder, aka not a pencil. It's a lead holder, transparent plastic barrel, features pocket clip, spring-loaded lead release, 4-way vise grip, jaw holes. So your basic like lead pencil holder thing. That's cool. King Art Gold Dagger. Ooh. Is that this? Does not look the same at all. Weird. So here's what came in there. It's like a super tiny little brush, and then the picture, can't tell it, like right here, it's like, it looks like a, anyway. Use this dagger brush to create different width lines, scrolls, weaves, and foliage, and to paint along edges. Okay. What else we got? Lycra. Wow, it's like a giant graphite crayon. That is rad. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Oh, weird. Okay. We love these for their ability to make large graphite strokes. They can also be used for some neat effects with water if you shave a bit of graphite off the tip. This is legit. Sorry. Like a huge, it looks like a giant crayon. Come on, focus. Focus. Anyway. It's like a giant graphite crayon. That's dope. I like it. I like it a lot. Medium putty eraser. Nice. I do not own currently a kneaded eraser, so this is cool. Which is that. Focus. Focus. There we go. Medium kneaded eraser. I guess I should have showed all these off on the big camera instead of this one, but I'm learning. And then last but not least, after testing hundreds of papers, this material was their favorite. It's absorbent but retains the look of graphite when dry. And this is I can't even pronounce that. Hanemule. But it is like paper. God, it's like thick paper. It's like cardstock. That's cool. And then last but not least, in every box, they always send a tiny little SketchBox sticker. Tiny little SketchBox sticker. And every month they're different, so I have like all these little SketchBox stickers around. And that's it. Now we're all empty. And that is the June 2020 SketchBox and everything that is in it. So there you go. If you are interested in getting these, it is getsketchbox.com. I'll put a link down in the notes. Yeah, it's kind of cool. So like, yeah, this one's obviously all graphite and oriented, and I mean I could go pull my other ones out, but I don't want to dig around in that right at the moment. But everyone's different. It's cool. It's a cool little thing. Anyway, I just thought I would share that with you guys. Kind of testing this setup out. I'm not sure about this overhead thing. My lights are weird. I don't know, but I'm getting there. I'm learning, figuring it out. Yeah, so hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm gonna go for a walk, and because it's nice out, it's gorgeous outside. I'm gonna go for a walk, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.